She priest just did they shout, money na water, money na water. EFCC just fetch one bucket. As he reach office, they ask she priest, are you not she priest? Say, no, my name is Pascal.
When the time is right, my brother, tell it person.
Funny Bone Live, Aina's son.
We call him the comedy Rema. Make some noise for MC Monica. Mona clap now. Yeah. It's our Rema. It's our Rema. It's just
hey. Funny boy, you never get what you never do for this your show. They don't add drama. Remember for the bride to come out. If I perform and I no laugh, I resign. If you need to do too much, you no last, you resign. If I crack joke and I no laugh, I resign. No baby go die for Nigeria. Who say on your mandate we shall stand? Now in the fall. Now we the cash up. DJ, which do wait? When I don't know what thing they happen. She priest just did they shout, money na water, money na water. EFCC just fetch one bucket. As he reach office, they ask she priest, are you not she priest? Say, no, my name is Pascal.
When the time is right, my brother, tell it person.
God, Nigeria is in a state of shetima. God, the way the country they do now, next KC music, now e-money go join them. That one way KC they first shot e-money. Now e-money go first call. E-money now don't they cure infection. No. You see say that doctor na smart. Dr. E, I greet you. This national anthem, now God go join that national anthem. This national anthem is supposed to be Chineke mere mo biebere, mere mo bie. Because I don't understand this country. My New Year resolution, yesterday I tear up now. Guy, they plan the thing they plan me. They plan the thing they plan me. How many of you don't achieve what you want to achieve? It is people want. It is people come out here to laugh. People they escape problem for us. Guy, happy Father's Day to my father. That if no be mumu one worry my father. How you go born 8 children? What do you define? Put us for suffer like this. You read this morning, come and say, what do you have to wish me? I say, God go judge you for breaking us into this wicked world. Me we suppose na Sheyi Tinubu suppose senior me. For that sort of they do photo shoot. Guy, country where mama they deny papa. Now this time I person go tell your father left us when things was rough. Now this period though. See fraud they here, wife they have. See they run from family. Woo! Guy, me no get joke. I see she go arrange that your eye where you see suffer for past. If now if I don't blind though. Now the thing don't tough. My mother flash me, I flash am back now. Now boy, you born me, I don't useless. See hope of the family like this. The only joy when they get my neighbor now shower grace. Anytime she no get customer, she will just there with me. Hey. What the enemy meant for evil, God has turned it around for my good. I shall they call me fine boy. Guy! Gee! Ladies and gentlemen, I went to school, I'm a graduate too. I met Tutu, chap, second class lower. If he's the one I run him, he more or less. Guy! They have people, they say you cannot go anywhere with your result. The person will make first class, that's like, now glass they cover you, very dark man.
Me and not the cap.
Guy, cap waiting. That was national anthem, eh? All the CEO of Lagos. Your junior brother, they perform, they make noise. I go stab you, I know they look your husband face. You won't allow me perform. They say invest in real estate. No invest in anything. Shop your money. You shop your money. No be ushing road people build house, they fall them. They know you go just there, your house they go down like economy. Nigeria where our economy they play, but I better. Nigeria you go just they suffer, they smart. God. This our national anthem. I won't read them out. They lied to us for that national anthem. Look at the stanzas. In brotherhood we stand. The same brotherhood where carry Bobrisky go prison. Now one stand. Nigerians all are proud to serve. Even coppers, their salary no big. They are not proud. So the other one, and to hand on to our children since 1993. They say we'll be leaders of tomorrow. Where even WhatsApp group I never feel lead. Lie. The other one. And so with peace. No, where no man is oppressed. My landlord locked my house today. Which oppression is that one? Why? Are they owe NEPA bill? I just pack in. Oh, before you collect house for this Lagos, check NEPA bill history. Are they owe 9 million? 9 million. For house where I just pack, go. Are they I get bakery? I do this one and I go. Girls for this Lagos, the level of polo theft is very bad. How you go teach person polo? Use and go do TikTok. The pain, the suffer, the what have you done to me? I'll kill you. And if you do house party, if you like house party for this Nigeria, any house party where don't pass VGC, now court you go join. One girl lied to me, say, let's have, there's a one place you will do house party. I say, where? He say, Badore. It's fun, no. And men know they take, say it's fun. You go down here, girls day. Now say you go down, they don't know your location. They say girls day. I say I go deceive my guys, I don't go share update. I go there. Game night don't start. They say remove 5 things for your body. If money I remove, I don't see the things again. Now so we dey house party, they don't break. I wear pants for Badore and they think of where to escape. As I come out, those two where they carry mad people, carry me. And they tell the guy, I'm not myself, I saw all of us they start. Ladies and gentlemen, MC Monica.
Your microphone. You mic him. You mic him.
I announce us.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Funny Bone Live. Aina Son.